Today I am going to explain a tissue, that is animal's tissue, connective tissue. Before this, I have already made you understand with my video, and that was nervous tissue, muscular tissue and epithelial tissues. They all are animal's tissue. Only one was left, and that was connective tissue. This connective tissue is also known as packing tissue, which binds or connects various tissues and organs in the body. इसे हम पैकिंग टिश्यू भी कहते हैं, जो कि सारे ऑर्गन्स को और टिश्यूज़ को बांध के रखता है. किस लिए बांध के रखता है? ताकि उनमें रिजिडिटी दे सके, उन्हें सपोर्ट कर सके और उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट कर सके. मीन्स व्हाट? इट प्रोवाइड्स रिजिडिटी, सपोर्ट एंड प्रोटेक्शन. इसलिए इसे पैकिंग टिश्यू भी कहते हैं. एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट अबंडेंट टिश्यू इन एनिमल बॉडी. It is the most abundant tissue in animal's body. What are the characteristics of these connective tissues? You know why they need to bind organs and tissues together? So that if there any kind of space, intercellular space, and if there is space between two organs or between two tissues, then they pack those spaces so that any organ do not interfere in others' function and even do not collide with each other. So what is the characteristics of connective tissues? Characteristic of connective tissues, you can say that it is formed of large intercellular matrix. What do we mean by intercellular matrix? Intercellular matrix means space between two cells. It's called intercellular space. And the ground substance of that intercellular space will be called intercellular matrix. Means what? Whatever is filled in this space, that is called matrix, intercellular matrix. And in this matrix only cells are embedded. In this matrix only cells are embedded. So first I told you it is formed of intercellular matrix, connective tissues and fibers. So now what do we mean by fibers? Fibers are proteinous. It provides stability and support. ये fibers जो होते हैं वो mostly proteinous होते हैं और ये जो हैं stability और support provide करते हैं. They can be either collagen, elastic or reticular fibers. They can be. Now what are the other characteristics of connective tissues? Matrix, right now I told you the ground substance. So this ground substance is like jelly and non-living. It's like jelly and non-living. And in that, large number of white and yellow fibers are present. In this matrix, in this ground substance, large number of white and yellow fibers are present. So matrix and fibers, both matrix and fibers, both are secreted by cells of connective tissues. Both are secreted by the cells of connective tissues. Now let us know what is their function. What actually they do. First function is binding. What they do? They bind the organs together, tissues together. They bind the organs together like areolar and adipose. They are packing tissues, binding tissues. They fill the gaps between the organs. Second thing is support. Supportive also. For example, bones and cartilages, what they do? They support the whole body by giving structure, framing work, or you can say hard endoskeleton. They provide endoskeleton, and which endoskeleton is so much supportive for any animal's body, because a proper structure is given by this endoskeleton. Now storage. This is also true. It provides storing capacity. Like fats. Fats remain stored inside adipose tissue. And adipose tissue is a kind of connective tissue. Then attachment. Ligament and tendons. If you remember, ligament and tendons. Ligament and tendons, they both provides attachment. Bones to bones and bones to muscles. These ligament and tendons provides attachment from bone to bones and bone to muscles. And what it does, it provides movement of the body. Then transportation. Blood and lymph is the best example for transportation. They both transport the substances from one part of the body to the different part of the body. And not only this, they transport all essential substances to the cells, and at the same time they receive all toxic substances from the cells. So they have also a great role. Then padding and packing, that is done by areolar. They pack different organs. Then defense mechanism, yes, in blood WBC is also found. Lymphocytes and macrophages. This lymphocytes and macrophages found in the matrix, that ground substance. And what they do, they strengthen the immune system. Means ये हमारे immune system को और strong बनाता है. And the last one is repairing. So collagen fibers of connective tissues helps in repairing of injured tissues. What do we mean by collagen fiber? कोलाजन फाइबर का मतलब क्या होता है? कोलाजन फाइबर का मतलब होता है टफ बंडल्स ऑफ कोलाजन. मेजर कंपोनेंट है ये एक्स्ट्रा सेल्युलर मैट्रिक्स में पाए जाते हैं. और ये क्या करते हैं? ये टिश्यू को स्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करते हैं. एंड गिव सेल स्ट्रक्चर, नॉट ओनली टिश्यू टू द सेल्स ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टिश्यू, दैट इज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. Now the types of connective tissues. We can divide connective tissues in following main types. What are those types? The first one is proper connective tissue. Do you know what comes under proper connective tissues? Areolar, adipose, tendons and ligaments. Areolar, adipose, tendons and ligaments. What is the second one? Second one is skeletal tissues. Cartilage and bones are the skeletal tissues. And the third part or the third type is vascular or fluid tissues. What are they? Blood and lymph. What are they? Blood and lymph. So about this all, I will explain in my next video. Already blood and lymph I have explained. So we have to go for areolar, adipose, tendons and ligaments, and cartilage and bones. I hope you people have understood it well. And if you have understood, so I would request you, please like and write the comments. And please wait for the next video of the same tissue and a new chapter. What is the name of that chapter? Diversity in living organisms. What is the next chapter? Diversity in living organisms. You can also prepare the notes by this video. This video will not only provide you the complete information about connective tissues, but also you can write your own notes with this video. So I request you go through it properly, and if you like, then write comment. Thank you, all of you.